Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So I thought I would show you what I'm up to today. I'm having a backyard art sale, so let's take a look around. So the sale is in my backyard, and here's where they are to park, and my peonies are blooming, so beautiful. So we enter in. So over here I have my flower pots. Some tiles covering my back room. I don't want anybody to see in there. Then I have my baby paintings up here. Alright, so when you walk in, that's the first thing that you see is those paintings there. And then I got a tent set up here. See if you can see that. Because the sun won't be so brutal. And I have some baby magnets there for sale. So start at this edge. There's a couple of my paintings. And then all my magnets. Some more paintings. Carpet. And here I got some, mostly my teardrop necklaces. So my necklaces. I have, these are all necklaces here. I have my paintings in a couple coffee shops, but just have so much inventory. I really needed to get some things moving. Still actually setting up. I'm about done. And on the back side I got the little baby necklace holders. And then I have a section here. I gotta get my paintings over. I guess I wasn't ready. For ones that I was gonna throw them away, and my family's like, don't do it. So they're gonna be really cheap. And then finish off with the rest of the paintings. Flower blowout. And then here's from the back. So thanks for stopping by. Hope this give you some ideas for your own backyard art sale. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.